Okay, sorry everybody. We interrupt the streaming by mistake. So now we're back. Okay, PLTR keep pumping higher, so I may need to walk away from that one. Uh, What's this spy doing?
Spy is still trying to get reprint 607.
Yeah, it's gonna go there.
Think so?
I think so, but yeah, PLTR. I think will get me out very soon. Incredible strong PLTR. Okay, I got out of PLTR. It's okay, I'm gonna leave it quiet. I have been wrong on that, so I could give it another shot because that's the best price, but like I won't do it until I see a spy pulling back.
Okay.
And let's start partially on Nvidia, like just to cover some of these. Nvidia, I'm hammering the view up a little bit too much.
So I had a little position on QUBT to front run it before the 12 position.
Mm-hmm.
It reacted very well to the PCL, so we'll see how it's going to go.
Okay.
I do have a good price on it, but we'll see if it's got some good momentum.
I add a bit to Nvidia short. And let's see.
So SPY seems to have, it was a pullback, but seems to be pushing back up.
Yeah.
So we got a doji here forming on SPY.
Yeah, the noise.
Mm-hmm. So SPY, still doji. Pushing back up. There we go. Right. Are you trading something?
Yeah, I have a Nvidia short,
Okay.
and
Not moving much, eh?
yeah, no, there is a little.
Is there news? No.
No, I
Today?
look at it and there is no nothing that will move the
Should
market.
move, yeah.
And everything came out before 8:55. We have 20 years bond options at two. At two was it? No, at one. PLTR. Oh, it's stop on its own.
Wait.
Yeah, this stop on its own.
In loop.
Yeah, but like in loop, but it has a maximum hit. So
Okay.
okay, so Out of all the trade, took only one was red.
Mm.
Well, I only took 4, but okay. Dubo instance, yeah. What happened with Nvidia? Out of Nvidia.
Pushing. SPY.
Let me see. Last shot for that short on PLTR.
SPY pushing.
It is the third time. Like
For SPY, for PLTR?
PLTR, yeah. It's, I know I'm going counter, as I say. Like this one's one short, one out, like 2 out. Short, out. And then short. Yeah, this is the third. That's my last short on PLTR. It's up
Okay.
for sure. If that doesn't work, I am so wrong that I shouldn't be trying it. And I have the price I want to get, so at least for that one, that's
You've
the
got a
price.
good price, exactly.
Yeah, so as long as we are respecting the process, we should be okay.
So SPY right now. Pushing. Well, everything seems to have went. Ooh.
Yeah. Like in Nvidia, I got myself out. If I didn't get myself out, it will be working. But I'm okay with getting out
Okay.
because I believe in the short on PLTR the way I believe, but I wasn't that sure on Nvidia. Like Nvidia never see the stress that PLTR saw this morning in the selling side, so
Yeah, that's true, right? It never.
I don't have to go counter. Yeah, look at the video popping up.
So I'm back. I got the short on LPRs.
At 76?
A bit below, but
Yeah.
like it seems that my range worked, but it's just that I put them too narrow.
Okay.
What happened is the price break. Like I put my stop loss right after the range, but since the range is too narrow, the price break it and then come back in my favor, but it get me out.
Okay.
It's like my stop loss are too close.
Yeah, like. Yeah, it's. It's funny, but we have to be very dynamic with the stop losses.
Mm-hmm.
What do you?
Today I tried to take the longer time frame volume, like let's say the monthly volume level,
Mm-hmm.
so and see where it dips in the month.
Okay. Yeah, that should have more reliability.
Mm-hmm.
Check
And the points
BBI.
of control for the month are really, really important, but for the day, it's like less.
Popping up too. Choppy candles in the 5 minutes, but yeah. Long wicks everywhere.
Mm-hmm. But aligned.
Yeah, and a SPY is going toward this high. So I like part of my mistake I think having like looking counter, but yeah. So I think I'm gonna be looking to reload something for the long. Let's see.
Too tight.
Okay, so we have QBTS. Yeah, different story there. Look at QBTS at the 638. You remember 400 lot
Yep.
there, and then a touting at 608.
Yep.
So
I let go of that idea there. Okay, we got SPY pushing. SPY wants to reprint 607. It would seem. We've got a strong RSI. Okay, so tape is slipping on QUBT. How quick can you go? The tape on NVIDIA is just...
Yeah, it's funny. You consolidate at the 4660.
4680. Well, it's true. It's between the two, right? 4660, 4680. We knew that. So I took it at 146.60 as a long.
Nice.
Is this the time you're finally gonna go through 147 NVIDIA?
So, Zach, you still have the PLTR loan? I think he said he flipped, right?
Not sure. Did he say he was leaving?
No, like flip, like.
Yeah, no. But did he say that he was leaving for a while?
No, he came back after.
Mm. Okay, so NVIDIA 147. Are you gonna go? Is it gonna print? It's still not printing 147. Still not print. There we go. Okay, so SPY as well as NVIDIA at an important level. I'm watching the price action. It's not easy to read the tape on NVIDIA right now. I feel like a kid. I almost have to look at colors.
Yeah, that 47 is very relevant.
Absolutely. That's why I'm really focusing right there. I've got a full position on NVIDIA. I went back in strong because I knew the move.
Dumbo, go away. Yeah, PLTR is gonna get me out, I think, soon. So,
Dumbo's starting to get the eau de je ne sais quoi.
Dumbo, go away. Go. This is all.
Okay, let's go. It must be pretty cold outside.
I brought it up to 76 today.
Okay.
You're feeling cold or hot?
No, I'm feeling perfect right now.
Like, I'm gonna check right now. Yeah, it is minus 17. It feels like minus 21. Yeah.
So QUBT is finding the bottom there. And as well, QBTS, the same thing, trading around the PCL. Very interesting levels there. Tape is flipped on NVIDIA.
Toward which side? Because they have been long and it is long now.
I find that now it's very, very clear as a stronger. I find it stronger long.
Okay.
Before I found that it was in a battle, but now it seems that the love for NVIDIA is coming back. So I'm glad I went back in, but yeah, we're gonna watch it. 147 is still big for NVIDIA. Like the fact that it's holding it. Though SPY did not reprint 607, it's still printing higher at the moment. NVIDIA now 147. Just go back to QBTS and see what it's doing there. It's maintaining that level. It's entering a stack there. It should be able to pull back to 615. We'll see what it's going to do. Okay, so QUBT. Still not at 11. So I got smoked a bit on QBTS, so I am going to wait till it reacts well to the level.
Yeah, like the problem is that 608.
It's pretty, and we've got a huge position at 6, right? So 6 is quite ginormous. Now we've got a position of 700 lot, and 601 plus a 601, it's over 800 lot. Around the 600, it's almost 1,000. So NVIDIA 50 cents in, good job. Holding 147. I'm more concerned with SPY.
Yeah, Nvidia's looking funny to me, but like
Yeah, me too.
I'm not going counter ground. Like I know it could work, but I just don't wanna. Like I think I messed it up already. So it's not too bad, but it's no, it's poor management there. So I don't trust myself on that one. So as I said, the PLTI is gonna be the last short. If I take another trade, it's gonna be probably a long, and like that I will need to get a good entry, and like which is not being offered right now. So yeah. I don't see why PLTR wouldn't pull back to the VWAP. It doesn't look extreme. So
Wow, wow, did it flip? Okay, we've got a lot of people with that's on the market right now, with finger on the hands on the wheel.
you want to say fingers in the bottom.
Yeah, fingers on the button, thumbs on the button like me, but hands on the wheel. Because man, the tape just flips really quick.
Like I know that short in Nvidia, like short is like a high probability around there, but like I just don't feel like going against the grain. Like I went against the grain already a little bit too much today. So PLTR, is this a good entry? Yes, it is a good entry. That's why I'm holding it and consider the last shot for that one. If it doesn't work, I don't want to be on it. Like I mean, this thing can break the train and keep accelerating toward the upside. So what happened with Nvidia? Well, even stronger. So though this is a high probability setup because of my poor management on the trade previously, I am not wanting to take it. So even if it works, it's okay. If it works, it means PLTR is gonna be going to the VWAP and they're gonna be served for the day. So that's it. So you're gonna see. And after I say what I say, I find that's a way of keeping myself in check. As we lately have found that we have to do more and more. What is SPY doing?
Well, SPY's pulling back.
There is a big chance that the all-time high is a little bit too expected.
And too heavy.
Yeah.
Which makes sense.
Vera about it.
Wow.
Like to me,
Did you see the candle on SPY right there forming in the 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's like a hammer. Red hammer.
Let's watch. So SPY
That's
still.
not a pullback, you know.
That's a go through. That's a continuing.
I find it too long, too extended for it to be a pullback. So
Not reactive enough.
might be wrong. Let's see. Like we have big candles in the whole day, but that's a huge candle. So if you look in Nvidia, that candle was able to put it below the level.
Wow. Watch out, Nvidia at 146 because that tape is just nuts.
Zach, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still.
Okay.
I didn't hear what you guys said.
Before what we said, if you still have like you went short on PLTR, right?
Yeah, it got me out.
Okay, got you out.
But I still have my long on STXU.
Nice.
That working well?
I'm break even, but
Yeah.
I'm planning for SPY to go down.
Whee! I kind of don't like what Nvidia is doing right there, but PLTR is doing okay. I want to see it touching that VWAP one more time. Okay, that's my point of interest on PLTR. RSP.
Nvidia approaching the 146. SPY is still forming hammers.
Let me put Nvidia where I can see it. Nvidia.
146 is approaching for Nvidia. So that should, oh boy, that's a position. 146 for Nvidia.
Oof, Nvidia is testing that trend.
I'm telling you,
Oof.
watch out.
Let's see, is it legit? Yeah, it is legit. So Nvidia should be bouncing from there. If it doesn't, let's get it at 44.
145.80, the stack of 145.80 is going through. We should see a tape acceleration. Watch out. And there it is. Holy cannoli. I can't read nothing.
But what it is right now is a short.
Correct.
Yeah,
It's
if
not
I am
clear
right,
though.
yeah,
145.
exactly.
There's a double shield 145.50, 145.51
Like the,
on both tapes.
yeah, at 146.50, it will be a good shot for the short. 146.50, because you want to see it breaking the trend and then retesting the trend, but with you in the trade. If you wait for the retest, it's not a good idea because then you are risking the whole position. Okay, there we go. It's like PLTR at 74.
No. The LTR is at the VWAP too.
It's at the VWAP. Well, my target to take partial is at 74.
Okay, so it's at the VWAP at 75. It's entering a stack right there.
Mm-hmm.
Watch that stack. With the biggest position at 75.
Watch how we cut butter.
Okay. Nvidia is doing like you said, pushing off that number. SPY forming a doji.
It's in the air. Do we have ADD here? Let's see. ADT. No, I say, yeah, okay. PLTR. Maybe the tick. Oh, that's only in dollars so far. This is how we do it. Ta-da. How dispensable is an R for you, Zach? Like, I mean,
How what?
dispensable is the word? Yeah.
I guess you could say dispensable, yeah.
Yeah,
I
like
don't know what that means.
knowing value as money, but like, have you equate that in your trading? Like, an art should be kind of dispensable. And dispensable, Marie, can you explain to Zach?
How,
En français, c'est plus facile.
oui, dispensable. C'est ça qu'essaie de dire, Zach. Est-ce qu'un R pour toi c'est dispensable ou c'est critique?
I always keep my stop loss at $1. So that's maybe.
No, it's no. It's yes. Like to have the 1R is good. But like
Do I
for
take the
example,
1R
do you?
when I see it?
Huh?
Is the question, do I take the 1R when I see it?
No.
No, but what does 1R mean to you?
Like would you be okay losing 20 hours in 1 week?
No.
No, that's what I meant. Okay, take a look at that. Like yes, there is a sweet spot for that, but like your hours, up to certain point, like there is a point that is too far for sure, but there is a point where like an hour should be a little bit more dispensable for you, like that you can like. It's like you allow yourself to lose like 20 hours and then you are thinking about it. Because what happens is that when your hours, like if you are not okay accepting this type of spectrum, when you take 1 hour or two negative, you are trading different just because you didn't price that in. So psychologically talking, you are feeling under stress at that point. And it affects a lot the way how you trade.
Okay.
So
Yeah, to drop my R value and make it more like I don't care when I lose.
yeah, exactly.
Mhm.
As I say, like there is a sweet spot. It's not that you're gonna be throwing the house by the window. I'm like, oh, I don't care. Yeah, no, that's not it. But
Yeah.
so let's see what PLTR is doing right now. PLTR 540 right now, 75.40. Look at you. We were not able to cut butter, so
No butter cutting today.
no butter cutting for me. Yeah. So it's still good. It's like pretty much making it back, but. Ay. But that candle here in the 15 minutes should give us a little bit more continuation for where we came from. Wow, that's a nice green candle in the 60
For
minutes.
SPY?
No, like this is PLTR.
Oh,
this is the first hour of
yeesh.
trading. Like, look how big is that candle compared to the rest.
That's beautiful.
like in this case, when it was going down, it kept going down. So in this case, it's gonna keep going up.
Yeah.
Because at
Really
some
nice
point,
trend.
yeah, like at some point they signal exhaustion, but this market being as strong as it is, like I think it's not the best to think that it will be exhausted around there. So there is a heavy offer at 75.40. 75.40. Let's see. I want to see that print. 75.40.
Okay, so SPY is gonna
Printing
be.
the offer. He's not getting filled yet. Not getting filled. 41. Now 41. Okay. 41. Okay. We went through there like nothing. We are printing higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's holding that 41 quite well. 75.41. So let's see. I'm gonna use that 75.41 as a point of reference because it was the heaviest. And it was real, like he got filled.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Would you want to build a snowman? Para bailar la bamba. Para bailar la bamba necesita una poca de gracia. Una poca de gracia. Potisere, potisere. Ba ba bam bam tu, 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 bam. Soy capitán, soy capitán. Hey Microsoft, like temperature is about to rise. Like it's a temperature rising, but okay. By how many 2 degrees?
That's funny.
You say it's gonna go to minus 11, then minus 6 on
Yeah, it's
tomorrow.
supposed to be warming up.
Minus 2 on Sunday, so we're gonna be in Latin America on Sunday.
You're gonna come and skate.
Should be a good idea. Enjoyed it a lot last time.
Mm-hmm. All of the family did it.
Yeah. Yeah. It was very nice. Today. Ba ba bam ba. Do it. That's what you want to do. And
Do what?
like I am observing the like these two, like PLTR and NVIDIA, and I know every day I trade like way more PLTR and NVIDIA than anything else. Like I was interested maybe in Hood today, but like it's doing nothing. So, but yeah, just coming back to PLTR and NVIDIA and what I was going to say. So NVIDIA, like my perception was that NVIDIA was way stronger, and it is way stronger. That's for sure, than PLTR at the open, like, or at least until like 10. But like the forces on those two guys have like kind of flip. Like look at that very nice push above the VWAP that PLTR was able to put.
Mm-hmm.
While Nvidia is like, you know, is like let's hammer the VWAP for the rest of the day. Like yes, I know he put a little gap here, but like he have hammered the VWAP way more, and now it's breaking the trend down. So of course, still a strong name. Like we need to make sure that we know that it's 3.4% up. Almost like I think at some point it was like 4% up.
Pull back from SPY.
But the forces flipping here is what I find interesting.
Okay.
Like, yeah. Now see PLTR what it wants to do. It's funny because we can kind of determine like when they start putting like those big candles, like
Mm-hmm. Those are huge.
yeah, whenever the candle is about like, if you find a pullback that is more than 75% or 50% of the whole candle, it start looking more attractive. Like this one here, it was obviously like 80% of the candle pullback, and then it's just a little continuation toward the downside. So
SPY is interacting
there
with
we
the
go.
VWAP.
there we go. Somebody's offering very heavy on PLTR. That was what? That was a 47. And it just keep printing lower. No, that was Nvidia. Okay, that was Nvidia. The tape
So
is in
SPY is
Nvidia.
on
Okay. Spice.
is at the VWAP.
Come on, Spy. Let it go.
Come on, SPY, let it go. Come on, SPY, let it go.
As I said yesterday, it normally doesn't let it go. Like that Spy there, what is telling me, hey man, you should be kind of be willing to be out of your PLTR. But let's give it a little bit more room. Like I can use Nvidia also to gauge it. Like whenever Nvidia come back above 46.15,
Agreed.
146.15. If Nvidia print 146.15, maybe I'm doing nothing on PLTR. So
Nvidia reprinting
that's
145.80.
okay. Yeah, there was a heavy bid at on Nvidia at 145, 47, 40, 48, something like that. And yeah, let's see.
SPY is forming a hammer. At least it seems to be bouncing off or rejecting the VWAP in the 5 minutes. My guy,
1 week.
my guy,
And
you
3
are
days.
insane, eh? 1 week and 3 days?
Yeah, that he took a shower. Well, that was what you were saying?
1 week and 3 days that he took a shower?
Mm-hmm.
Oy. Yeah, because you do take care. Like, ay. He's a pampered dog. Yeah, the spa was not this weekend, but the last weekend.
Yeah, I was going to do another this weekend, but I didn't have time. So. Well, I have time, but like I choose to do something else that was more priority. So,
Spy's doing something funny.
yes, it is. Though it's looking bullish to me, I don't know how much of that will be legit, but
Mm-hmm. Nvidia's going to reprint 46. There we go, 146.
Yeah, that 46 is quite heavy.
Correct.
Right now, printing 46.
Mm-hmm. We've got a stack though to 146.10. We'll see what that's going to happen there.
I'm looking for the push through, but it's not pushing through. So that's yeah, that bit was maybe too heavy. Not yet. Like it was half and half. So we went 2 cents below and 2 cents above.
Okay.
So yeah, now 5 cents below. Okay, that seller was heavy.
That was a heavy one, yep. Okay. So Nvidia now. The VWAP is at 146.05. And it is. Wow. SPY is almost doing an engulfing candle right now to the upside.
Yeah. Let's see how it dies. You have 2 minutes yet.
Mm-hmm. So right now at 76 for PLTR, we've got an important level at 76. We'll see. I'm still holding it. We do have continuancy on the tape till 76.35 and 76.40. The biggest position, of course, being at 80, which is a little ridiculously far. I'm hoping. I'm long. So, hey, let's go PLTR. Let's go to 80. I'm not going to.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Wow. SPY's really. That upside candle was really big. Okay, so. Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing with that VWAP? Are you pulling back from there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so PLTR is getting close to the 76. We are entering the stack. Okay, and the same thing. So right now we've got Nvidia at the VWAP. Printing higher. So Nvidia now is 10 above VWAP. Wow. SPY is that's almost an engulfing.
Yeah. It is an engulfing, especially if it
Yeah.
lasts. Yeah.
We still have 15 seconds,
Yeah.
but it's wow.
This is absolutely boring.
What?
It's very boring.
Aburu.
No, burro. Slow, quiet, too slow. So
Isn't Aburu born?
a burro is a donkey.
No.
Aburrido.
Aburrido.
Aburrido is being
Oh.
bored.
Okay, that's what I meant. Aburrido. A donkey.
Yeah, a burro is a donkey.
Yeah, see, that I do. A burro is a donkey, but I thought aburo together was a word that was bored. But it's aburrido.
But because like un burro is a donkey.
A burro.
Un burro.
Yeah, but
remember
A too. Ah, no.
Ay, ay, ay.
Un poco lento.
No, lenta you? Like you are mixing English
And yeah.
and Spanish. So because you say
see, that doesn't exist.
burro.
It's, no,
If
it's
you are putting
el burro,
exactly.
un
So
burro, not a burro. Ay, papi. Ay. Mi cerebro es muy frío, frozen. Okay, so Spy right now is opening, so that it's just 2 minutes, but it's opening in a, and it did do an engulfing, right? It was engulfing?
Yeah.
So,
I don't know if you have to take from the bottom, but to me that looks very bullish.
well, exactly. No wick, right? If you're not considering wiki, but you're right. Oh.
Yeah. No, so this is the top, and this is the top here. So. If Nvidia take off, that's gonna be beautiful. Like
Correct.
to the long.
It's still though, like it's still pretty much interacting very close to the VWAP right now. So
The only problem I see is that, of course, like, and there was way higher volume previously, but we last previously like 2 candles below here, and like 1 more candle, and we have to spend longer here before. So here you see, like, yes, volatility was crazy there, but that's why I say like the volume plus all those things, yeah. But
you think you're gonna smoke me?
PLTR.
Check out Spy.
So let's read the tape on PLTI instead of being lazy. So that PLTR for sure having a bunch of sellers below 76. That in Marie's words will be a long, but in the tape, what is happening? Let's see. Printing 74. Heavy bid at 73, and not much continuation there. Then heavy offer at 77. That's good. That's good for the long. 78, 79.
80 is huge. It's got trouble there at 80. But we've got a big one at 88 that's coming. So that should propel it if it gets there.
Yeah, the 88.
Nvidia still stuck at 145.80, which is pretty much the 75.80 for PLTR. So they both take off or they both sink.
Mm-hmm. 71. Yeah, there we go. 76, 67 both heavy. 67 heavy. But there's no speed on that tape right now. So very slow. Accelerate for 1 microsecond, and then it's like, okay, now it's accelerating a bit.
So Nvidia and PLTR caught at the same level.
Okay, that tape is catching some speed. That's a for sure. And while
Same
it's
with
catching
Nvidia.
speed, it's going higher.
Reprinting. 180. Okay, so Nvidia is entering a stack right now. It's a huge stack to 146 to the VWAP. We'll see what's going to happen there. Okay, PLTR has reprinted 80 and is accelerating.
Let's
Right?
see if the 88. Yes, it's slowed down again, but like then we go 88. Heavy offer at the 88. and it left it right away. So it's going 76. What happened at the 76?
NVIDIA at the VWAP, crossing the VWAP, tape acceleration. Same with SPY. SPY is reprinting 607.
94. Mm-hmm.
NVIDIA is still at the VWAP. Oh, now NVIDIA is crossing the VWAP 10 cents. PLTR approaching the 76. That's a huge stack. SPY has made a new high.
Yeah. Still far from the 67.80, but hey.
PLTR printed 76. Are you going to maintain the 76? SPY's going higher. Propel yourself, PLTR. We've got 76, a big position of 76 coming up on PLTR. Are you going to get there? Oh, yeah, you will. Ooh, don't get that. Not printing yet, not printing. Printing. SPY crossing way above. So SPY's 20 cents above. I am. SPY cross, still maintaining 607.20. What is not maintaining, though it's still interacting around there, is NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is still printing 146 back and forth. You know what? Let's put this up right here. I've been waiting for 76 on PLTR. Let's take it over.
Jala, jala.
SPY is still at, it is holding the 607. What's not holding is NVIDIA at the VWAP. But reprinting, whoa, reprinting 146 quite quickly actually. I like that.
The bid is a little bit heavy on PLTR and it's dropping.
Thank you for that. Woo-hoo. Wow. What a candle on SPY right now.
Yeah. Very nice candle.
Yeah, so we've got a stack that NVIDIA is entering right now, and that stack is, again, the 145.80. It's a stack of, like, huge buyers right there. We'll see if that's going to give enough momentum. SPY is maintaining the 607.30. We should be wrapping up.
Yeah, we will be. I just want you to finish your comment and then.
Yep, and good. So
Okay.
607, we're at SPY right now.
So yeah, like in here, like about my trades, like uh, a lot, well, maybe a lot of mismanagement, but it's not horrible. So it's here, like short, add to the short, then get out. Uh, this was not a break-even trade. I took like maybe half an hour loss there, like something like that. So then in PLTR, this was where I did poorly. Like I mean, short, partial, all out. Then when all out right here, short, add, out. Then short again, and now it's about to get me out one more time. So I am maybe a little bit too fixated to the short, but I say like when I took this short, I say this is my last short in PLTR. So it's one of the reasons why I'm holding it, because I think I don't have such a bad price. It's not the best price, but it's not for me to be crying about it. So I mean, like he will need to kind of like put a lot of effort for it to break through. So which of course can happen. But let's say if I got out of PLTR, if I am able to get like a loan somewhere else that will be like offering a decent price, I will be taking it. If not, it's gonna be everything for today. As I say, it's a red day, but it's up to now. Like PLTR can change everything, but no big deal. No big deal for me. It's just I have to keep incentivizing taking way more partial. Like if I just partial all this, like hey, it will be
Amen
okay.
to that statement.
Yeah.
Agreed.
So
Agreed.
yeah, that's it for me.
I left a lot of a lot of money on the table because of that too, because of the lack of parcel.
Yeah, like and then like it's just like I have to get used to. Like at the same time, I want to be able to hold position, but I like for longer. But I think we have to kind of
Have a medium.
be selective
right?
about which one we're gonna be holding and which one we're gonna be
Absolutely.
partialing.
Determine that quicker. Agreed.
Like here, once we broke that trend here, that trend line here, like hey, like yes, that 75.40 is okay, but trading above there, if this doesn't go below here, I am extremely wrong about this. So yeah. So what about you?
Well, for me, it's not a bad day, but the worst day, my as we say, plantain, my blockage was QBTS long. I kept going back QBTS every time it went to the VWAP, long, and got stopped out. The last one that I took was actually at the PCL, long again, got stopped out. It seems, and when we're looking at the tape, 6 is huge. I'm going to see at 6. I know it's due to reverse very shortly, but yeah, that was my. And right now I'm in PLTR 75.50. It's printing very well. I'm 50 cents in the money. We'll see. I want to keep that. But yeah, QBTS, what a disaster. A complete disaster. But the rest, like QUBT was good and NVIDIA was good. But PLTR, yeah, no.
Cool. What about you, Zach?
I did really good on PLTR. I went short a bit, so that I didn't break one of my range.
Mm-hmm.
So got out, back long, like almost 3R on the long.
Ooh,
and got
nice.
set out on the short.
Very nice. Very
Good
nice.
reaction to it.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Good trading. That's a good trade.
So yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody have fun. We're gonna be here tomorrow. I hope everybody have a good day. Bye.
Bye.